Catch this, the time is now. Each second a golden opportunity. Each breath a chance to change, to grow, to rise, to shine. So why wait? Why pause? In the grand symphony of life, you're not a mere spectator. You're the composer, the conductor, the main performer. You hold the power to craft your own melody, to dictate your own rhythm, to set your own pace. Fear, doubt, failure, they're mere stepping stones on the path to success, not roadblocks. They're the shadows that make the light of triumph even brighter. So ask yourself, what's my next step? Then take it, boldly, bravely, unapologetically. Remember, the time is now, and it's yours to seize. This is your journey, your story, your song. Make it unforgettable. Loop back here anytime you need a boost, a reminder that you're in control, because you are, and you're unstoppable. And please don't forget to like this channel, The Utopia, for watching such AI-related motivational video in future. Have a good day.